Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can sync Geometry Dash account on multiple devices. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up your Geometry Dash to any device, and from here we simply want to log in our account. So in most cases it's going to be inside the settings icon. From here, click account and you want to make sure to click on the login button, or if you're new you can then create a new one by clicking on register. Basically, after logging in your account, it will then say something like link to account and your username. From there you can then hit the save button to the device that you want to simply make the main save into. So in my case it's going to be on my computer right here. I'll click on the save button, click on OK, and basically from there you then want to head over to any other devices out there, log in your account and then click on load, and then it will load the device from my computer right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.